Hello beautiful people, hope you're all doing good. So in the past year or two, many have turned to trading to earn additional money to supplement an income. And many have made a killing in the market. But for me, I see myself more as an investor than a trader because I rarely sell my stocks or investment. And when I do, it is to move the money elsewhere or to rebalance my own portfolio. So let's talk about a trader and an investor. So one of the key differences between these two is the time frame that each of them are looking at. An investor mainly invests over a longer period of time and looks to receive dividends or capital growth by purchasing blue chips assets or store of value assets. Traders, on the other hand, leverage on volatility of the market to make profits over a short period of time. And there are many strategies that one can deploy to make some profits in the market just by trading. Two of the most popular strategies are scalping and swing trading. Each of these methods are deployed based on the trader's patience, flexibility, capital, and risk level. Though there are some misconceptions about trading like
trading is easy, you can make a lot of money from trading, and trading requires little to no experience.
Most seasoned traders will beg to differ as trading is a skill set that takes time to learn, master and practice, like doing videos here on YouTube and getting people to smash the like button. So for traders to achieve sustainable profits, both of these methods make use of candlestick reading and other technical analysis method to spot bullish and bearish signal, which will provide an opportunity for an entry or for an exit. As everyone is different in their own trading strategies, always do your own research before investing any money into any investment products. So let's talk about scalping as a strategy. Scalping or scalp trading aims to get quick profits by leveraging on small price movements. These price movements can be from the 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, or even 15 minutes time frame. And by following these short period charts, scalpers study these price action movements and then decide when to enter or exit a trade. But because of the nature of scalping, trades are done in high frequencies, and therefore one of the prerequisites for scalp trading or scalping is to ensure that the asset being traded has high liquidity or volume. If there's high liquidity or volume, traders can enter or exit a position quickly. However, if the liquidity drops to a significant level, traders with positions might not be able to exit a trade, to take profits, or to even cut their losses.
Just cut your losses and move on!
With high frequency trading, traders will also have to take into account trading fees, which might greatly reduce their profit margins, and thus being able to get low trading fees can greatly increase the profit margins for scalpers. So scalping is best suited for traders with low patience, the ability to act swiftly, flexible in their plans, and able to devote time in focusing on the market. Because with less patience, scalpers can close trades quickly upon hitting a profit margin and are not afraid to switch course if the trade goes sideways. And that goes without saying that if you are on the road on scalping, you will require a lot of time to monitor the market and to take advantage of those mini price movements. And scalpers might execute as much as 20 to 30 trades a day as compared to a swing trader who might only do less than 10 trades a month. And this in turn can affect the profit margin because of the trading fees, which can add up to quite a sum of money. So swing trading, on the other hand, relies on identifying trends on the market over a longer period of time. So usually the charts that are being read are daily charts, weekly charts, or even monthly charts. Swing traders will seek out market signals like consolidation and corrections by reading candlesticks. And from there, they can accumulate these investments and ride the waves into profits.
Huge profit margin.
Guys!
And upon achieving profits, the traders will then close a position and then realize their profits. So for example, if the price of a cryptocurrency starts to correct, traders can start buying into that particular cryptocurrency and hold them for a while. And when price starts to pick up and it crosses a take profit point that the trader has set, closing that position will then realize the profits that were made. So what's the difference between swing trading and scalping is the timeline. These trades could be open for days, weeks, and sometimes even months, depending on the trend of the underlying asset. However, if there are potential upcoming catalysts like upcoming news, releases, these provide strong signals for traders to decide if they are holding on to the asset or taking profit now would be a better option. And therefore, swing trading, on the other hand, requires a lot of patience as trades take a long time, and often traders have to study technical indicators and chart patterns like Fibonacci extensions, support and resistance, Ichimoku clouds, moving averages, and much more before making a move in the market. And because fewer trades are being done compared to scalping, swing traders are able to keep transaction fee low and therefore having a healthier profit margin. But by entering a bad trade, it could mean back holding these assets for a long period of time, which can affect the opportunity cost that the trader has.
Yes, hi, yeah, I'm still holding.
So swing trading works very well for traders who are unable to devote time into the market, but are able to devote time in studying long-term trends and being very patient and create strategies before making a move. And therefore, when someone tells you that trading is easy, you might want to reconsider and look at the resources you have before embarking onto this journey of trading. But here's not to say that you cannot make money with trading, that you definitely can, but it takes a lot of time and effort because it's a skill set by itself. So if you're looking to trade cryptocurrencies, I've left links in the description down below where you can get started with 4P Exchange. They do offer a myriad of things like high yield savings account, grid bot trading, and other interesting functions that can help you on your investing journey. And that's the end of today's video. Smash that like button if you haven't, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.